Hello guys, this is Cameron from Photologic Studio. So what we will be making today, it will look like something this. It's a beautiful masking effect done in Premiere Pro. So we'll go to the Premiere Pro and here I have my clip and I will just put it on my timeline. There it is, and I will unlink this file, the sound file, because we don't need the sound in this clip, so we will just work on it. So it's what I know is it's almost 15 seconds long, so I will just make it 10 seconds long. I will just cut the rest of the clip so that we can just make it short and more informative for you. And let's begin here. So we have already our clip here, and now we will go to work with the pen tool in the effects section, as you can see here. So how you're gonna go to the effects section? This is your main clip, and if you go right click here, you go to effects control, and this one, if you select this one, your effects control will be enabled. So here you will use the pen tool, and it's called free draw bezier. So you will click this one. As soon as you click this one, a masking path is turned on, and here you have to just make a selection with this pen tool, and as wide as you can, just try to make it as wide as you can. So that's done. So here now we will move to the next step, which is duplicate the layer. So how are we going to duplicate the layer? You're going to select this layer, press Alt from your keyboard, and just drag it on the top. And here it's been duplicated now. So you will go on the down layer and make it invert. And now you will select the top layer. Select the top layer, and now we have to move some points on the timeline. So what we're gonna do is, this is the masking effect, and we will enable one path here, and as you can see, there's a dot comes here, so we will just make it a little bit here. It comes here, and we'll do is this in this point we will just move this mask right here, and we'll just put it back here, right here. So as you can see, those two dots now here, if you're understanding my point, and let's see, that's how it's gonna look like. And now we will just bring the timeline more forward, and we will move this one a little bit here, so that it's gonna make some effect. You see this one, some sort of sliding effect, and it will keep moving here. So to make it more prominent, what we will do, we will add some drop shadows, opacity, and mark feather. Let's do that. So to put our effects on this layer, what we gonna do is just make this layer, make it a nest. So it's a nested sequence one, this one. Now what we will do is we will go to your effects control, this section, and we will put some drop shadow, this effect here. We'll put it on the nested layer right here, and in the drop shadow you can see we can increase the softness, we can increase some opacity, so that there's you can see this one here. let's make it more clear, and let's play this one. Okay, so we are almost there, and it's been done. You can see again. So as you can see, this uh, big black area coming up here, showing up here. We will try to hide it by adding some more into it. So I will go to this again, my main project window. We will add some color matte here, color matte, and that's how we're going to control it. So first of all, we're gonna add white color matte, and let's do it. Oops, not this one. This button, color matte, and we will do it as a white color matte. We'll name it white. Okay, as we know this color matte, and we will just put it down the layer. So we will add this color matte here. We have to drag this, select both of the layers, make it move it up, and add a color matte, increase it, and let's see. Now it looks a little better. You see this one, because it's we have hidden the area and we have turned it white. So now what we will do is we will just move this layer, a nested layer, a little bit up. We have to make some space here, and we will move it a little bit more up so that we can add some more things in it. So now we will add some title. We will go here, and actually we can do it by file, new, and legacy title. So this is the title one, title name, Toronto, that's the city I live in. And here I will just write some text here. See, Toronto. I'll just make it center, and I can choose my font here. I will choose my favorite font, Copper Palette Gothic. So let's make any font you like, you want to have. Let's see, this is the font I like, and again press center, so it will become it will come in the center. I will just make the size of the font size, and it's, let's make it little spread so that we can see here. Font size, 150, and here it is. Again, we will press this one, and it's done. So this one will come right below here. Just drag the layer, make it here. That's how it's looking like. So what we will do is that's our title, and that's how it's looking like. So now we will move to the next step, which is we will add a color matte, and this will this time it will be a black one. So let's add this one, color matte, and it's pitch black, and we will name it color matte black so that you can also keep remember what I'm doing here. And we will put this layer beneath both layers. Now selecting this one, So now how does it look like? See, that's how. So now we have to do some masking effect again here. We will choose this one. This time we will choose this 4-point polygon mask tool, square tool, and we will make the feather 0, and this one you can see if you're following my steps. Hope you will make something really nice. And so we will just cover up this one, and there we go, it's been done. So now we will make another nest of those two layers, color matte black layer and turn on the text layer, and we will just make it nest again. And here it is. We will select this layer and we will adjust a little bit position so that this thing can hide and then it can be clear. So we will go to this FX motion section and select position here, and let's see where it's coming in here, and we will change the position here so you can see this one. So let's make it a little longer. All right, so now we will make it one more step. So we will just nest all the layers together. One more nest. There we are. And here, this is the layer. You can see this one, this layer, and we will go to scale a little bit. This main clip, the whole main clip, and just scale here as soon as it comes to give it more movement, and 150, this one, or a little bit less, maybe 120, that would be great. So you can see here, so this one gives you some more movement. That's how it's going to look like. All right, and you do the rendering and just export the file, and that's the tutorial about it. So just give me feedback. How do you like it, and what more you want to see? Please let me know, and I'll make some good tutorials for you. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.